Welcome back. So the other day I put some LED lights on my car and was a bit disappointed because they kept on throwing errors on the dash, even though the supplier and the manufacturer said there shouldn't be any alerts. So returning those, but in the meantime I bought these Philips WhiteVision Ultra 4200 Kelvin sharp white look, and it comes with 3 side light bulbs. Not sure if you can see them in there. One box is rather smashed up. Hopefully the bulbs are okay. Have to double check. So let's open this one up. If it opens. Okay. I went to Euro Car Parts and they had these for £35 each. But I was just about to order them when I thought, let me check eBay and Amazon. Amazon had these for £19 for the box, which is nearly half price. So if you can read that. 87 original equipment quality. Sounds promising. Let's get this bulb out. I don't know what it is with these packages, but they don't want to come out. Do I have to clip on something? I don't see anything I need to clip on. Okay, let's see if the bulbs are okay. That one looks okay. Both look okay. So you got H7 and side light bulbs. Now the question is, how did you get these out? There you go. So let's look at this. Still connected. Hopefully these do what they say. You can see B104 and Philips H712 872 NWG 12 volt 55 watts. Poland. So made in Poland. Okay, so put this back in. Get them connected to the car and we'll take a look. Then we'll compare them to the LEDs we bought the other day.